My daughter, my son. Bam! This is your YouTube channel. This is how everything is. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing my face, please don't make it your lights by clicking on that subscribe button, okay, and the like button. In this video, I'm going to be giving you tips on how to start your YouTube channel in 2022, the basic steps on how to start your YouTube channel. So there are a lot of us out there who actually want to our own YouTube channel, but we don't know how to go about things. So I'm here to give you a quick guide, basic guide on how to start your YouTube channel. So if there is something you're interested in, or for your relative, your friends and family, you can share this to them. Okay, so let's get started. So the first step I'll have to tell you is to stop procrastinating. Procrastination is one of the major things that holds a lot of us back from starting our own YouTube channel. It actually held me back, to be very honest. If it wasn't for a friend of mine who actually pushed me and forced me to posting or bringing out my first YouTube content, I would still be thinking of how to start my YouTube channel by now. I thank God for that friend of mine. Okay, and you should actually try to stop procrastinating if you want to succeed, or if you want to have a YouTube channel. So the next thing I'll have to tell you is to make your research. So you don't just have to say, okay, I'm starting my YouTube channel now, I'm ready to post my video. You cannot just sit down and be like, okay, God is going to come down from heaven and be like, okay, my daughter, my son, bam, this is your YouTube channel. This is how everything is. Carry go. No, you're actually supposed to make your research, starting from what SEOs are, how to put your thumbnail, how to go about the basic things on YouTube, learn about YouTube algorithm, learn about what they call YouTube copyright. There's so many things for you to research about before starting your own YouTube channel. So you don't have to feel relaxed. You don't have to feel like, okay, I'm ready to post my YouTube content and that's the only thing you need to know. No, there are other things you need to do before you start your YouTube channel. So always try to make your research. Don't just feel relaxed. So the next thing I have to tell you is, do not worry about a niche. So this niche thing is, if you don't know what your niche is like you basically tabling down, okay, I'm a lifestyle YouTuber, I'm a YouTube advice giver, stuff like that. Those are what we call niche. So when you're starting out, you don't need to be bothered about, okay, this is my niche, this is what I have to do. You just need to keep trying different things. You don't know what your audience will like, you don't know what people may find favorable to you and your channel. So keep trying different things. Do reviews, do vlogs, do sit down content, whatever you feel may help you, or whatever you feel is best. Just keep doing things that you know are versatile. Is that English correct? I don't know. Just keep trying new things basically. So do not just stick to one thing, just keep doing different things, and trust me, you'll find that one thing you are best in. Okay, so the next tip I have to tell you is you can start with just your mobile phone. Okay, so if you can check my past videos, like the very first video I posted, you see how shitty, let me use that word, how shitty it looked, how the quality was actually so bad and poor. Okay, but with time you do upgrade and you do, you just get new things. And to be honest, some YouTubers actually have a lot of equipment, but their qualities are still dumb, they're still trash. So it's not about having equipment and the rest, it's about knowing how to use them firstly, and also knowing how to I don't know the English, but I know you can't get me. So start with whatever you have. If it's just your mobile phone, you can get a little tripod you can use to place your phone, or you can sit close to the window. I started with sunlight, window, sit down close to the window, film your content, edit and post. Keep your content there for people to see. You are just new on YouTube, so you don't need to be thinking about, I need this, I need that, I need a camera. You might get a camera and your content are still totally poor. So start with your mobile phone, start with what you have. Don't just rush things, okay? Start with what you have. Is that clear? Is it sinking? Is it entering? Okay. Try to always write down 10 video ideas before you start your YouTube channel. Some people may advise you to write down 100. Auntie, uncle, where I won't see 100 video ideas from. Actually, to be very honest, coming up with video ideas at all, like, it's the main work on YouTube. Honestly, trying to figure out, okay, this is good for my channel, I can work with this, I can do this. It's actually a tough thing. So you can start down by writing 10 video ideas, and this week you have one, next week you can post the other one, and as time goes on, it's not just that you have those 10 and you just film it and you start looking for that video ideas. When you write those 10 down, as the day goes by, as the week goes by, you also think of other things that you can add up to that list. From 10 to turn to 20, from 20 to turn to 50. So that's how it works. Don't just think you want to sit down and be looking for 50 or 100 video ideas. Guy, video ideas are hard to come by. So just settle down and do what you feel. Okay, this is what I can do. Okay, if it's 5 you can write down, good. If it's 10, better. Just make sure you have down video ideas ready to film. Okay. So the last thing I have to tell you, which is also a struggle for me, but I'm still trying to work on it, is to try to bulk film. Okay, so as a beginner, I know we've not really figured out, okay, this is the time I'm free, this, that, this is when I'll be able to film and all that. Basically, if you're in Nigeria, NEPA is a big insult to us as YouTubers, okay? So you need to actually know when, okay, this is when we're going to film, this is what we're going to do. Know things you're supposed to do at the right time. So bulk filming actually helps us as YouTubers, okay? So when you bulk film, you film 2. If you have power, you film 3. If you have strength, you film 4 in one day. I hear you, Sha. But the highest I know some people can do is 3 to 2. At the beginner, maybe 2. Then this week you have something, next week you have something, and before you post that other one, you've already created 2 new contents again and again, and you can just keep posting and it keep going like that. So you see, it sounds sweet, it sounds easy if you understand. But it's actually a big deal, honestly. I still struggle with it. I'm a student. There are things that come up, maybe exams. We have things we're trying to struggle with or cope with in school, so we don't really have that time. So if you can actually bulk film and you can actually discipline yourself to bulk film, then trust me, as a beginner, YouTube is like, you have it at the palm of your hands. It's not saying it's cake, it's right. You can handle it, okay? Hey guys, thanks for watching this video to this very extent. I hope you found it nice, loving, helpful, interesting. So if you found this helpful and you have someone else that's out there you want to share this video to, do well to share this video to that person, okay? Help your fellow person out, okay? So that I can start your YouTube channel in 2022 and blossom. Okay, yeah, blossom. Okay, so do not forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment. You can ask me whatever you want to ask down below in the comment section. I'll be sure to reply. Okay, so I'll see you next week when I post my next content right here on YouTube. I love you guys.